Some paintings start loud, but this one started quiet, too quiet, and sometimes the quiet ones surprise you the most. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a rich sienna brown base, warm like earth, grounding like clay, with a center pour made of 4 colors: blue, yellow, orange, and red. I puddled them right in the middle, hoping the blow dryer would bring the drama. Before I started pouring, I had to make a choice, and I chose sienna brown as the base. And let me be honest with you, brown is one of those colors that can go really right or really wrong. It's not a color most artists reach for in acrylic pouring because it's heavy. Brown absorbs light instead of reflecting it, so it can swallow your bright colors if you're not careful. If your paint consistency is off by even a little, brown will take over the entire canvas. But that's why I chose it today. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone where everything is safe and predictable. When you work with a base like sienna brown, you're choosing a challenge. You're choosing to learn something, and depending on the color you pair with it and how you move the paint, it can become earthly, dramatic, and powerful, or it can muddy everything. Sienna brown tests your intention. It forces you to decide, am I pouring to play it safe, or am I pouring because I want to grow? Today I chose growth, even if that meant the paint might fight me back. So I stacked my colors gently. First blue, then yellow, then orange, and then red. No fancy technique, just trusting the pour. I grabbed my blow dryer and pushed the paint outward in soft, sweeping motions, letting the colors spill and stretch across the sienna base. This technique is all about movement, letting air transform paint into something alive, something with personality. But the truth, when I started, it felt flat, lifeless, like I wasn't sure where the magic would come from. And that's the part most people never talk about, the moment when you doubt your own hands. And right when I thought this piece had nothing to give, it started speaking. The colors start to look like an abstract design, something like a human, right? Then the sienna beneath warmed everything around it, and suddenly the painting that felt meh became a lesson. You don't always see the breakthrough while you're in it. Sometimes the reward shows up only when you refuse to quit. And once everything settled, the shapes really started to appear. I don't know about you, but when I look at this pour, I see a person with the most interesting abstract hair, almost like a silhouette caught in motion. But that's just what I see. What about you? Art will always speak differently to every viewer. So tell me in the comments, what do you see in this pour? I'll love to know. So here it is, the final result. Not loud, not perfect, but full of unexpected motion and warmth. A reminder that even on tired days, creativity still finds its way. If you enjoyed watching this unfold, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.